It's time to unbox the iPhone 16 Pro, and I am excited about this one, but I'm way more excited about the Apple Watch, which I've also unboxed. If you're interested in that, links in the description, or it will be at the end of this video. But let's go ahead and get this thing open. Now the box looks about how it always does. It's showing the front other than the back like it did last year, because the back of the iPhone is basically the exact same as last year. So, but you turn it around, you got the two tabs. We always start with the bottom first. So let's go ahead, grab that one, pull that one off. And now when we go up to the top, we can say started from the bottom. Now we're here. Let's continue the unboxing. I always like to put it on a flat surface because you don't want to be the guy that dropped his iPhone.
The reveal, his name's Jack.
Whoa. So first off, you just pull and there it is. Now let me go ahead and get my 15 Pro out and ready just to compare. So finish wise, they are the exact same, which I love. I love the natural titanium. It's held up really, really well. So let's go ahead, open this up, put that off to the side, and you get a charging cable with it. And of course, some documentation. And let's see. Go ahead and just open this up. And there's a few things here. Obviously, the SIM card is no longer provided in the US, so we don't have to worry about that. And of course, the cable is braided like it has been in the past. All right, let's go ahead and just pull this off. So good. So if we compare them side by side, you can notice the main difference comes with the height. So it is a decent amount taller. So that's where you get that 0.2 extra inches or whatever it is. And then of course we have the side camera capture button, which is a physical button. Like I am pressing it when the device is off and it is still clicking. So that's how you can tell if it's capacitive or not. So if you have your MacBook and you turn your MacBook off, the touchpad does not click, but this one still clicks. So it is a physical button. Everything feels great, looks great. Let's go ahead and turn this on. Gotta love that Apple logo. Now, while it's booting up, we gotta make sure that we keep this device safe. So, we gotta just go ahead and put a case on it, right? You don't want anything to happen to it. Let's go ahead and put one on. There we go. Now it is fully protected. You gotta make sure, if you drop it, everything is fine. I'm just kidding. But I do love this case. This is a magnetic back from Nomad. I'll put the link down below. I've been using one on the 15 Pro since April, and I absolutely love it. So if you're in the market and you don't like cases, this is the one I'd recommend. And it looks great on the 16 Pro, and it fits perfectly. They matched it. Oh, it looks so good. It also doesn't mess with the camera capture button, which is also great. You don't have to have a hole there. It's because everything's exposed. So there you go. So here it is. Let's go ahead and swipe up and unlock it. And everything's still kind of backing up, but we have enough to be able to see. So I need to set up cellular. Let's see if I can set this Verizon one up from a visible plan. All right, let's look. So as you can see right here, it says transfer not supported. Oh, that bites. I'm gonna have some stuff that I'm gonna have to try to figure out. I know my wife has Verizon, so I can probably transfer it to her, get it activated, then transfer it back to mine. Because this is an unlocked phone. Like, it's not locked. It's just currently, it wants to be paired with a Verizon network first. So we'll worry about that later. Let's go ahead. I gotta check out this camera capture button. So let's go ahead and set that up later. And then let's go ahead and close the camera out completely, lock the device, and then I just want to press and hold and see what happens. So the button's right here. It's a little further in than you would want it to be. Like, you really want it right here, but they also wanted to make sure they covered people that wants to use it for social media and do the vertical video. So it's a little bit easier to hold here, where here it's like you really want it right here, but it's all the way in here, which I'm not a big fan of, but I understand. So, all right, let's go ahead. And if I tap and hold it, is it going to do anything? If the screen is locked, it's not doing it. Oh, that's horrible. Like, there it goes. It finally at least opened up. So let's go ahead, um, close everything else back out again. Let's try it one more time. So the button's right here, pressing and holding. It doesn't want to open. The screen's on now, press and hold. It still doesn't. You have to let go of it. You can't just press and hold if it's locked, it looks like. Now, obviously, if I press and hold now, I'm going to start recording. As soon as I let go, it actually stops recording. That's also, to me, that's a little bit of a pain point. I want to be able to let go and have it keep recording at that point. Once it starts the recording, I want it to just keep. Now, ugh, what if I hit? Like, I can't hit it, I can't press. Yeah, it just stops recording. So if you're going for a quick video and you want to make sure you get everything that's going on, you have to press and hold it the entire time, unless there's some kind of setting. But of course, we also have, like, what if I press and hold and then I try, like, you can't zoom in because as soon as I let go, all right, if I go to video, I hit the button, now I'm fine. And of course, now I should be able to zoom out, zoom in. So there you go, there's that. Zooms in all the way to 15x. This has the 5x zoom. And then I think you can, so, oh, you have to half press. Half press twice, then you get to switch your different modes. So if I want to affect I probably should have paid more attention during the keynote on the iPhone, but I was pretty excited about the Apple Watch. That one works. So now rather than zooming fully in, like, I get to pick between the two. Camera capture button's gonna take some getting used to. You're probably looking at me and being like, hey, you don't know how to use this thing, you're a moron. And right now I agree with you because I really haven't looked much into it because, the iPhone's cool, but the Apple Watch is better. Hope you have enjoyed this somewhat of an unboxing for the iPhone. I will be covering it more if you want me to. If not, that is also totally fine. But if you want to see more about the Apple Watch, which is absolutely amazing, you can click right here to watch that video. Hope you have a great one. Thank you so much for watching. God bless.